because it kind of like went into a hole.
I see gone.
Oh, is that a big
hog? Oh, that's a hog. Wait,
hurry,
I'm getting
hurry.
that. I'm getting that. Wow.
Big
that
hog.
A moose.
Keep it in the water.
Sorry.
Are you crazy?
Oh yes. My God.
Yeah, this little thing is up too. Wow. This guy. Oh, hog.
Hog?
Yeah.
You need the net?
Woo! No, I don't know. Maybe this is a keeper.
You say 13?
It's a little small. 14 to the fork. Oh no.
No, let's open.
Oh, look
at
at
it.
changing colors.
Yeah. Beautiful hog. Yeah? Oh, a little sheep.
I got one.
Nice. That's a keeper.
Is a keeper?
Yeah.
Wow. This pretty little sheep.
Oh, it's a hog. It's a hog.
It's a hog? Nice.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Nice.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Wait.
Wow.
He's pretty. What is it?
Hog.
Nice. Nice hog. It's a keeper? Oh, yeah. It's a big one. Oh, yeah. Nice. Woohoo! Yes. Oh my gosh, that's a big hog.
That's a monster.
What is this
Beautiful
number?
hog.
Is this the fourth keeper?
Third keeper.
Third keeper. We got like what? Maybe over half a dozen hogs so far.
Like 7 hogs, 3 keepers. Beautiful fish. Dude, it's such a bummer.
Nice and easy. Oh my God, that's a big hog.
Really? Here,
Net. Wow, Peppa, that's a big hog.
Looks big.
Wow. That's
Oh,
nice.
thank you.
Nice job.
Thank you.
That's a keeper.
Oh, yeah.
That's a big one. Wow.
Yeah. Likes to show.
Let's see how big he is.
Yeah, he's gonna be
15. Oh wow, 17?
16
Almost.
plus 16 and a half.
Yep, 16 and a half.
That's a keeper.
It's
gag.
a big gag. It's a big gag.
Gag.
Wow, his tail is super blue. This would have been. Actually, I don't know if this is a keeper. This might have been like an almost keeper.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 23. Let this beautiful one go. Ooh. It's going for it. It's running away.
Yeah, 20-pound leader. So.
Oh, nice.
I think this might be a gag.
Doubled up.
Oh. I like this rod. Doubles over.
Jeez, you guys are
Wow,
both.
Still pulling. Oh my God.
This is a big fish here. Don't make sure your drag's not too tight, Steven.
Sorry.
Definitely not a hogfish.
Oops.
Did I cut it?
Yep.
All right, I'm scared you're gonna lose it.
They didn't even put a big pressure on.
I mean, Kobe
Or
is.
it could be a big
Oh,
cobia.
there it goes.
Okay.
Oh no, Steven!
Oh my God.
I don't even know.
On 60-pound leader. Wow.
Yeah, don't give up. Don't give up. Hold it.
This is literally the fight of your life. Biggest fish you ever caught. We got to get a picture with him.
Mouth, but now I see the whole thing.
There he is.
Ooh, he's coming. He's
Don't
coming.
give up now.
That thing is like a manatee.
Oh my gosh. I've literally never seen a fish that big.
I can't believe
Oh my gosh. Holy.
Are you kidding that?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Can you hear that thing is flying?
Whoa.
This thing is a dinosaur.
Whoa. Here he comes.
Oh my gosh, what a whale.
What?
That's a manatee.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, that's well, that's 300 pounds.
Look at this
That's probably
beautiful
300
fish.
Plus, 300 plus.
Baby 40.
Oh.
Get a picture with that thing?
Oh my god. This is crazy.
Fat lip.
Monster.
Careful, Audrey.
I just broke the pliers. Okay.
He's got some fat lip.
Careful, Audrey.
I just broke the pliers.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait, here.
Next set of pliers. Let me just cut it off.
Grab the weight, grab the weight.
And then cut off here?
Yeah.
I mean, you want to try and do it?
Yeah, let me try to do it.
Okay. Ooh. Be free, beautiful. Uh-oh.
He's gonna make it.
Yeah,
should we try and puncture him to get him down?
It's only 30 feet. There's gonna be a fencing.
Goodbye, monster.
Don't help him.
You completely
You're so lucky he didn't swipe you. Wow. That was
you in the face.
Oh my God. That was so
Nice. Dude, we're killing the hog. Here, you got the net?
Got the net? That looks very good.
Keeper hogfish. This is like the third spot. The second spot, we got worked by a 300-pound goliath grouper. So we made the run a little bit, and now we're on a nice ledge and pulling up some grunts. We're weeding through the grunts to find the hogfish, but they're here. So let's talk in more fishing.
All right, let's put a release
All right.
on the hog ball. They work.
Not inch too short.
Oh, yeah. Keeper. Oh, I'm on.
Nice.
Oh, no, I just lost.
Oh, no.
Another grunt.
Yeah.
All right, what is this, number 6?
Something like
Think
that.
so.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good. All right,
yeah,
we're picking away at them. Guys, let me show you what we're doing. We're just using knocker rig, 2-ounce weight, 4/0 circle hook, and just hooking the shrimp in the tail, kind of weaving it through to hide the hook a little bit, just like that.
Oh my God, looks pretty.
That one's gonna be 14.
Nah. That one's gonna be 16. Nah.
All right,
Nice.
on the hog ball is a 1/2 inch too short. Very lucky.
Jeez.
Ah,
Luckiest fish.
there you go, buddy. Oh, it's a hog. It's a hog.
Oh.
Net, please.
No. Oh my gosh.
Where's the net?
That's a big
Oh,
one.
up top.
Thank you. Nice, boy. Oh my God.
All right.
Monster.
You got a keeper. Wow. That's the biggest one all day. All right.
Oh, nice. You've been on the hog catch. It's crazy. Wow. Hot hand. Hot hog hand today.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, did you see that pole in the
Yeah.
beginning? I was like, oh, it's a small fish. And ooh. Oh, really digging. Big hog.
Big hog coming.
Oh!
Yes.
It was digging. Like it was like the classic,
Got a black
Man.
tooth.
classic hog.
This spot is loaded.
Ooh, ooh.
Yes.
You turned it on the right time.
Just play with them. Oh.
Yes, nice hog. All day, 14.
Oh,
Wow,
yeah.
look how white.
14 all day.
That hog just got super white.
I swear this is the same fish. He just turned white.
Tiny gag.
This has got to be like hogfish number 30 today.
Probably.